Welcome to PIERRE Academy. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add and configure an SOS button to your PIERRE controller. We begin by demonstrating the hardware setup. The PIERRE controller is already wired with a physical push button, which will serve as our SOS trigger. This button is connected to pin 1 of the PIERRE. In the partner application, you'll see that the input on pin 1 has already been assigned and labeled as SOS. Next, we switch to the main mobile application and navigate to the Alerts section. We tap Add New, name it SOS, assign it to the Academy role, and assign a name to the notification such as SOS Room 211. Then we select the Receive Phone Call option so that a phone-style alert is delivered instantly when triggered. After that, we hit Submit to confirm. With the alert created, we need to define what will activate it. We tap to add new automation, choose existing I/O, and select the previously assigned SOS input. This binds the notification to the physical button press. The controller will now refresh and apply the new configuration. To test it, we press the SOS button and immediately receive a phone call style alert notifying us of the emergency. Thank you for watching this PIERRE Academy tutorial. We hope this guide helps you improve your safety setup. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more smart automation solutions.